Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you my process from start to finish, how I exactly would draw a classic cartoon-like sprinkled donut on a rock, including colouring it in with paint. Enjoy! Just take note guys, during the painting process, which you won't see, I've actually done multiple layers of paint, say 2 to 3 layers, just so the paint is opaque as possible. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and keep your eyes peeled for my next how-to video.